Hi friends, it's Joseph here again with another tutorial. So in this video, I'm going to show you how you can take multiple take profits using the MetaTrader 4 or the MetaTrader 5. For this tutorial, I'm going to use the MT4, but just know that the process is the same when you are using the MetaTrader 5. So I'm currently on this trade BTC USD, alright, Bitcoin, and currently I'm in profit of what, $22. Okay, I have just what this one position was opened, and this is 0.05. All right, lot. So now if I basically want to take partial profit, okay, I want to take multiple, like what, take profit, this is what you are supposed to do. Now I'm currently making what, $22. Okay, this is the profit, or you can look at the top here. So this is the profit which I'm currently making. To basically take profit, all you need to do is what, you slide this. Okay, when you slide, you tap in this correct button. Okay, so at the top here, what you just need to do is like what, reduce the amount of lot size. So at this current time, I'm what, opening, and this trade is currently what, 0.05. Okay, this is the lot size we are using. So you might want to what, just reduce your lot size. So for example, if I'm currently using 0.05 and maybe I just want to take profit of 0.01, so you can basically see at the bottom here, this is what the amount which I'm going to like take, 3.75. It might change, okay, it's going to be changing because of what, this is a live market. So 0.01. So now if I close this trade, what, before I do, let me just show you guys, this is what our equity, our current account balance. Our current account balance is 74. Okay, so now if we try to take profit here, it is going to change. So now let's take profit. Let's just take 0.01, and for 0.01 you are going to see at the bottom, you are going to close with profit of 4.40. Okay, so you close. So we have what, close. So as you can see from the top here, okay, as you can basically see from the top here, we currently have what, $79. Okay, we have $79. So we are what, making $21 profit. But now you can see we basically what are making what, $17. And you can notice here that what, the lot size has basically what, changed. Okay, we are using 0.05. So let's say you leave this trade and maybe you want to what, collect another multiple take profit again. You want to take another profit, you can take profit over and over and over. All you need to do is what, repeat the same process. So if we are now using 0.04, now let's say we want to take profit again, all you need to do is what, reduce this. So you can take 0.01, or let's say this time you want to take 0.02. From the bottom you are saying close with profit of 8.51. Okay, so now if you close, we have closed this trade. So you can see, now you can see our what, lot size has basically changed because we are using 0.04. Now we have closed what, 0.02. Okay, so currently you are saying that what, we have what, the lot size have decreased, and we have what, took our profit. So this is the current profit. So you can keep what, doing this over and over and over again. Now let's say you have secured profit. Okay, when you have secured this profit, like this 87, let's say you deposited $70, now you have like $17 profit. How can you keep this on in this $17 profit that you have made? Like now you currently have this trade, okay, you are making this $9 profit. Okay, you are making this $9, $10 profit. Now let's say this, like basically this trade basically changes and goes against you. For you not to lose your current $17, your current profit, you just need to do one thing. This is called what, setting break even. What is break even? Break even is basically where you set your stop loss as your market, what, your entry price. In this case now, this was what, our entry price when Bitcoin was 69,448.92 cents. That's when we entered. And when we say buy, we say what, the price of what, that particular asset is going to go up. So for this trade, we are longing Bitcoin, or we are buying. So we are saying the price of Bitcoin is going to keep increasing. The current market price here, you can see here, is what, 69,930. Okay, 69,930. So which means what? We entered at 69,448, but now Bitcoin price has increased to 69,938. Okay, so what we basically can do here is what? You just take this your entry price, you slide like this, you come to where you are seeing this pencil, sign. Okay, you just come there, you type in here. So you are seeing here we have two boxes. Okay, we have two boxes. This one with this red is what? For your stop loss. Okay, the amount of money you are ready to lose. All right, and this is what? Your TP. You can set your TP here. Now, how do you know? What do you do to set your break even? You just look at the top here. You are seeing this price. This is your entry price. Okay, this is what? Your entry price, the price at which you enter. This one at the top here, we have this arrow pointing 69,000. So this is after you have what? Close multiple take profit. This is the price which you are going to enter as your stop loss. Okay, so in case markets move to that particular area again, you have nothing to lose. Okay, you have nothing to lose. All right, 9-2. So if you enter this correctly, it's going to show you what? Modify. You tap in modify. Okay, so now what does this basically mean? If you tap just this, you are seeing what? The SL, which is stop loss. Okay, we have not set what? TP. So this basically means now your profit that you have closed, the profit that we have closed, that's 0.01 and 0.02. Okay, we are using was 0.05. So now we have closed 0.03 standard lots. Okay, we have took what? Profit. This basically means now, in case this market continues to what? Drop down. Okay, this market drops down, it reaches what? This your entry price, they are going to close the trade. You are only losing this current profit you are making, but the ones that you have closed, you are not going to lose them. So this is what? A very good strategy. You take multiple take profit and you set to break even. So if the market drops and it reaches that particular price, you know that what? You are safe. Okay, you are safe. Nothing is going to what? Happen to you. You can close as much as you can. Okay, you can just close again. Now let's say we want to close this again, we can close again like this. Okay, so now you see we have closed. So which means this profit that we have closed, it is going to be safe. Nothing is going to happen as long as we have what? Set this our stop loss as our entry price. So in case the market drops, we are only going to lose this current what? $4 which we are making. This current $4 which we are making is what we are going to lose. Otherwise, nothing is going to happen to our account again. So which means you can even go about and sleep, not getting too worried about anything. So this is what? A very good risk management strategy. If you find value in this tutorial, ensure to subscribe if you have not. Like this video. If you have questions, please don't hesitate. Drop them in the comment section. I'll be happy to respond within 24 hours. You can join the Telegram group in the description. Alright, and you can also send me a WhatsApp message. Join our WhatsApp channel. All the links are in the description of this video. Thanks a lot, guys. See you in upcoming tutorials. I'm Josao.